Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas and I'm going to do a balloon smash on it. I have some cobalt blue. This is a master's touch color. This is a medium magenta by Liquitech Basics. I have a tiny bit of burnt umber from Liquitech's Basics left over. A brown red, which is like a copper. And this is a Master's Touch Gold. I have those mixed up with my 70% glue all and 30% water. I've already put white paint down on my canvas. I let it sit for a little while because I've found that with the balloon smashes, if your background is a little bit more solid, it doesn't swallow it up. So we're going to see how this works. Alright, so let's get to it. How do I want to do this? I'm going to start out with some copper. Just going to put some, and I left this paint very thick. Just put some puddles down. Get some paper towel handy. My balloon, I've used it quite a few times. It's got a few different colors on it. Give it a dip. Ooh. Pretty cool. Not sure what to think about that brown and pink. It's a little bit muddy. Ooh, that one turned out really pretty. Redid this one. It's turning out really nice with that after letting that sit for a little bit. And let that white paint set up for, oh, probably about 20 or 30 minutes. I think I'd like to see a little bit more pink in here, this light magenta. Put a couple dots of it down. pieces. Didn't go very far with that one. Rock it back and forth and see what we can get. There we go. Turn my balloon a couple of times. Okay. I think I'm going to stop right there. I like the composition of that. I like the white space here. Copper looks really pretty in there. Very nice. Very nice. I said I'm going to leave it right there, but there's one more thing I want to do. I'm going to take this, kind of roll it in like that. There we go. Just like that. I do the same thing with this one. Okay. Well, liking that. I've got to touch up my sides, but other than that, I like it. Tell me what you think. And if you like this technique. So, let me zoom you in a little. I take my gloves off because my hands are a little sticky from that. And I'll pick it up so you can see some of the details. Maybe I'll give it a quick torch first. I don't think there's any air bubbles in there, but there could be. Okay, let's pick it up. You can see some of the detail. Okay guys, let me know what you think. Please leave me a comment. I like reading your comments. Know what you think about my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, thank you. Bye.